Tomorrow night, the city of Iona will hear from the public on the controversial proposed forced annexation of the newer subdivision in Bonneville County. Let's get right to Eyewitness News reporter Tyler Berg. He has been following this story from the get-go. And Tyler, what can people expect tomorrow?
Well, they can expect a lot of people from both of these subdivisions because while the city of Iona considers annexing this 22-home subdivision, it's actually this newer, much larger subdivision right here that is likely next.
This whole annexation is purely a land grab. The city of Iona wants our property taxes to grow their community.
David Taylor has lived in the newer subdivision since 1972.
Majority of people in Iona do not want to see the city grow.
He says Iona's offer of its single officer police force and utilities they already have from the county doesn't do much for him and his neighbors.
So they have nothing to offer us other than higher taxes.
30 to 40% higher taxes. Taylor's neighbor, Clifford Dale Nealis, is so rattled he's made a unique request if the forced annexation is approved.
Dale is probably the truest American that there is.
To have his name taken off the memorial for veterans that stands outside Iona's community center.
And I don't blame him. I'll help him chisel his name off of the stone over there if that's what it takes.
That's pretty impactful. That means a lot to those people that have sacrificed and that have their name on a memorial.
Greg Hansen is the vice president of Rockwell Homes, the developer of the new subdivision he says Iona is really trying to get to.
Even though the people in the newer subdivision have nothing to do with Rockwell, we are willing to stand side by side with them and to say to those city council members, what are you doing?
Rockwell Homes has hired an attorney who says the annexation the city of Iona has proposed isn't exactly legal.
If the council goes ahead and votes yes for this, we will pursue in having our attorneys take it to a district judge so that a judge can look at it and turn around and say to the city of Iona, you don't meet the state statutes.
In fact, he says Rockwell Homes will be forced to take it even further if successful in court.
And if that means that we have to sue them for that, that is what we would intend to do to recover those fees.
So Tuesday night, citizens of Iona, Newer, and Green Valley estates will fill the council chambers and let Iona know where they stand.
I'm planning on saying that this is a kind of a greedy power move that doesn't benefit the people who it's affecting very much.
Idaho and Indiana are actually the only two states in the country that allow this type of forced annexation, and we left a message with Mayor Brad Anderson with the city of Iona, and we're told he's traveling and we did not hear back. Live in what is for now Bonneville County, I'm Tyler Berg.
Okay, Tyler, thank you. Tomorrow night, the public hearing begins at 7:15. It will be held at the Iona Community Center.